So I just got my Samsung microwave, and upon plugging it in, it flashes for you to set the time, and after a while it goes away. But I read the manual, which a lot of people don't like to do, especially myself, and it says if you hold the OK button, let me unplug. If you hold this OK button for 3 seconds, then it flashes for you to change the time. And then with the dial here, you have the option of doing 24 hours, which is military time, or the regular 12 hours. I've chose the 12 hours, and it flashes here first. So I change the hour, then you hit OK again, and then it flashes for the minutes, and with the dial, change that, hit OK, then you're good to go. That's what I did. Now, I watched the review because I was trying to decide between this microwave and the Cuisine Art, and one of the reasons, let me close this drawer cabinet. One of the reasons I knew about this microwave, a Convection Oven Microwave, even though I didn't formally introduce the Samsung Convection Microwave, MC11K7035, star, whatever. Anywho, I knew about this because when I was in Korea, I was like, why would they give us a microwave and no oven? And then I was like, well, why is there a pan, this kind of pan? It's like, why is this metal pan sitting in it? Like, that can't go in a microwave. And then, you know, I played around. I did some research online. I'm like, wait a second, it's an oven too. I've never even heard of this before. So I learned about this kind of microwave in Korea. So upon choosing what microwave I wanted, it was really, actually, I was looking at the Cuisine Art, if I said that correctly. But that I know of the product, I'm kind of like, how do I say, when it comes to electronics, it's just like, I'm like, okay, Samsung, LG, Sony, I'm one of those kind of people, like, you know, the names that don't fail you. And I don't really, that I know of, own anything Cuisine Art. Let me look. No, that's Black & Decker. Yeah, that I know of, I don't have anything from them. It was $100 less. I mean, it had good reviews generally, but when I went on Amazon, it was like, oh yeah, after a while this clunked out, that clunked out. And for me, I was like, that's kind of what I expect, because I don't know of the name like that, like the reputation. Sorry, that's just my opinion, don't quote me. Anywho, I like Samsung, and it had great reviews. The only thing, somebody complained about the door. Like, they said they had to, I watched the guy and he said he had to open it like this. Yeah, because it's a pull down. But look, one hand, I'm pulling it down with ease. I don't know if he had a different one. His looked a little bit more silver. And actually, I didn't even pay attention to the color I got. I like the color that I got. I ordered it off of Amazon. So anywho, I have microwaves. I have popcorn sitting in there. Let's see how it works. I wonder if, because I don't like to read the manual. I just read it for the time thus far. Maybe I'll review it when I get bored. So let's just hit popcorn. So now it says 1. Let's go with it. Let's hit OK. No. I don't know. Maybe I do have to read the manual. Popcorn. Okay. Turn it down. Okay. Oh. Why don't I hit start? See? That's why certain people need to read. So let's see. It's doing this. I'm assuming this, because like I said, didn't read the manual, means that it's censoring it. Because it didn't give me much options. Ooh, seems like it kicked into a different gear. But I know with other microwaves that are just microwaves, not a convection oven as well, combo. You can hit it a couple of times, and I usually put it on the last setting so it has more time and I can stop it once I, you know, do the 3 count pop, you know, little. But this is censoring it. Let's see. And this is about the part where I would fast forward. My only concern thus far with the microwave, it looks like it's in pretty good condition. And like I said, I ordered it off of Amazon. The box looks kind of banged up. You see this? And I know some people said theirs came like in pieces. Like, so I don't know. And yeah, and then this isn't for me either. This is all broken up. Like, so I don't know if they're throwing it around. And part of me is like, is this a return? I feel like maybe the box was thrown around. It's been through some things. Because I mean, it had it stapled, but then I don't know. It's like, was it a return or what? That concerns me. But it looks like if the person returned it, they probably bought it and was like, you know what, this is too expensive, or I didn't think it was going to be like that. I don't know, but I mean, it's working. It looks flawless. So if it was, like I said, brought to someone, they're like, you know what, I'm going to go with the Cuisinart or something. Okay, so now it's bringing it down to the countdown. And it's moving pretty fast. Usually popcorn takes approximately 3 to 4 minutes. My dog's looking at me like, who's she even talking to? Yeah, he'll get his own show because, as you can see, his personality. Alright, smells good. The popcorn pop, slowing down. You know, when you do the count, 1, 2, and then wait for it to not pop. I think you got it on point. Okay. Oh, I'm looking for the button where the door pops and swings open. I'm so used to that. But I like this feature because the door sometimes used to swing open in a direction I didn't need it to be. Okay, close the microwave. And, oh, I don't have bowls. I just moved here. Wait, maybe I have a bowl that's big enough. Maybe it could fit in. I don't know. I feel like I don't want to dirty dishes. What? Why are you whimpering? What? Yeah, I don't know where my bowls are. So maybe I'll just eat it out of the bag, but I wanted to throw it into a bowl so I could see how many kernels are unpopped. But it seemed like it was close to done. So, let's see. I mean, I'm testing popcorn here. I'm not making steak. Not yet, at least. Let's taste test. Here comes green. Ooh. Taste test. Top. I gave him 1, maybe I gave him 2. Well, there you have it. I mean, I will let you know if there's unpopped kernels, but it's not burned. The sensor was pretty good. It was fairly quick. So, yeah, we'll go with that. Happy thus far. I'll keep you posted.